Well, hey there, Walter. What you doing, buddy? You want to go to the old Red Hawk Studios playlist? There we go. Look at this. Would you take a little gander at that? There you go, man. This is what you've been... Oh, really? I'm gonna pull this website up for you and then you're gonna look away. There we go. That's what I'm talking... You see that, man? That's the North High Red Hawks right there, dude. Even got the weather and the time on there for you, man. Well, hello there, everybody. It is me, Mr. Moore, and I'm just here to show you another cool tool in Adobe Express. And this is a tool that I plan on having my classes do next year, probably in all my classes: computer graphics, animation, web page design. It'll probably work best for web page design and or digital video production, where the kids are showing their portfolio of work. What I want to have them do is come down here and generate a QR code. So all we gotta do is come down here, click generate QR code, and then we're gonna put our URL in here. And the website that I'm going to use is our Red Hawk Studios playlist website. And all I have to do is copy and paste this. So all of that work is already done to create the Red Hawk Studios playlist. But now I want to turn that into a QR code just for a better form of communication. This works out really well around the hallways in a high school. Kids got their phones out, take a quick picture of the URL or the QR code, and they'll go right to this playlist. But all I have to do is paste this in here. Bada bing, bada boom. And then you can make it look a little snazzier if you'd like to. Maybe I'm gonna go with red for the old Red Hawks. I do like the rounded dots, and then I kind of like the rounded corner for the square. And then the center kind of looks cool in that circle too. So that's kind of the design that I like for the QR code, just something a little bit different. But also I think people recognize probably the black and the white one the best. But then all that we have to do is download this QR code. There it goes into my file explorer. Go to my downloads. And now I've got a QR code for my website there. Now, if I want to turn this into a quick graphic, which is something that I'm going to want the kids to do, they can also do that on Adobe Express here, create a graphic. And then maybe we'll like this one up right here. I'm going to upload, go to my download, grab that QR code. This probably the bottom third at least, and then up on the top, let's go bring a logo in here real quick. Red Hawk Studios logo. Something like this. And then also we're gonna need some text. Like, what is this QR code bringing me to? I'm not just walking around the hallways scanning random QR codes, even though there's probably kids walking around the hallways scanning QR codes. They have no idea. Red Hawk Studios playlist. Widen that up a little bit. Go. Let's turn this red. We need to turn this red. Go. I don't mind that right there. That's not bad. We could make that look a little bit better, but for the sake of the video, okay, let's change the font a little bit. Let's go see what we got for some fonts. There we go. A little bit more bold. There we go. Red Hawk Studios playlist. Now, once this is done here, background color, do I want maybe toss a little gray in there? Let that QR code pop a little bit more. And all I have to do is download this. And there we go. We're all good to go. And then what I'll have the kids do is they'll go to Teams, and they can turn this right into Teams here. Scan it with my phone, check on whatever it is that they're doing. It's a really cool way actually to share bigger projects and things like that we don't necessarily want to send through email. Maybe they won't upload to Teams either, but that's a cool way to have the kids learn about a piece of technology and then also have them use it in class in a practical way. And I find that kids really do enjoy this, especially when they make a cool website. They can bring a QR code home, or they'll even, send a picture of the QR code to their parents. Their parents can look at their website that they made right in class. They find that to be pretty snazzy. So thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully you learned something, and I'm definitely excited to present this to the class and see what they do with it. So have a great day.
Even in the valley of the shadow of death, I can take rest, 'cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me.